Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Popeyes.
Popeyes, you're not Popeye the Sailor Man, Popeyes.
I know you guys are wondering, wait a minute, it's Tuesday. What's going on?
Yeah.
What is going on?
You tell them what's going on, First Lady. Today is
T-Mobile
Tuesday. That's right.
All right, guys, listen. All of this food that we got here, it is free.
Hold on. They didn't hear what you said. We said free.
Free. Now, what we got is a Popeyes chicken sandwich.
For free.
And a 2-piece meal with a biscuit.
For free.
And my husband has the same thing, 2-piece meal with a biscuit. He has a breast and a wing.
For free.
Yes.
First Lady.
So Tamia came in here and took the
Yes.
thing. She's gonna bring it back, right? Because we need that for our
We need
biscuit.
jelly.
Oh.
Make sure you bring back the jelly, you know.
Fiesta.
Okay.
So listen, we're gonna dig in.
And then First Lady gonna tell you about this T-Mobile.
You brought your 2-time spicy?
And we got the 2-time spicy on deck. We gotta do it again. It tastes good with it though.
It did taste good with it, but the air challenge is different, right, baby?
Yes. Alright.
And then I have some Tabasco sauce and some honey, the same honey that I had before. It's so cute. So it depends on how I feel.
And look, we have the Chick-fil-A, you know? And we got the, what's this? The
Grape jelly.
Grape jelly, because you know we got the jelly on biscuit. I'm trying the biscuit first, man. Well, we there.
I'm digging in.
The biscuit kind of tough, man. It's kind of tough. You don't want to, you want jelly? You don't eat biscuit. A biscuit, I thought you don't eat biscuit.
I don't know who you talking about.
Do me a tap, bud. Oh, you put it, I don't want to put too much on anything, because you're going to say I'm going to put too much. No, man, Papa, your biscuit tough today, man.
I don't know. Who you talking about? I don't eat biscuit.
I don't even know where to start.
I'm telling you, too much free stuff. You know, they say free food tastes better.
Yeah, my first time, guys and family, eating a Popeye chicken sandwich.
Oh yeah, that is true. Can I please a napkin, baby?
Yes. I never eat a Popeye chicken sandwich for. You remember when people used to go crazy
Thank you,
for Popeye? You welcome for Popeye chicken sandwich. And look, me and First Lady eating it free. We don't play that. Oh, pickles. You want pickles? Oh no.
Oh, it tastes good in a sandwich.
Oh,
you gotta. If you're gonna taste it for the first time, you gotta taste it how it is, and then you can say, okay, I don't like the pickles.
Let me try.
The pickles is what makes a sandwich.
Because I'm not a pickle person, but I'll try.
Yeah, the pickles is what really makes it. So.
Some 2 times some icy on it. What do you think?
Yeah. Listen, like we said, the 2-time spicy did taste good with it, and some honey.
Yeah, I forgot I had the chicken sandwich, you know, and the chicken. Guys, trust me, family. We tell you about the come up, but you don't want to listen to us. But First Lady gonna let you know. Let me try. Let me give it a taste test, cause you know. Let me see who's better. Crunchy one.
Our food is all over the place, but that's alright.
Don't matter.
You guys have to eat
Nice.
fried chicken with hot sauce and honey. I promise you, it'll rock your world.
All the free food taste.
Feels so good. I know someone love free food.
Yo, family. We love. Ooh.
Like 2-time spicy.
It's getting there. I forgot to put it in there. Wow. Yeah.
Ooh, can I have some Chick-fil-A sauce, baby? I'm gonna make a little, put some sauce right here to dip it in. Chick-fil-A tasty.
We keep telling y'all.
But that come up.
Yeah, come up. We put y'all on a lot. Y'all know, right? But y'all gotta run with it too. You know what I'm saying? We put you on a lot of stuff. I mean, a lot of subscribers could vouch for that.
That's
a
true.
lot of stuff will put people on. So now, you gotta get what is free. Because listen, first lady, before you talk, imagine buying this right here for 4 of us. Do the calculation because you're good for the much.
Average it out, probably about $35.
Plus we get sides.
If we was to get sides and stuff, it'd be like $40, $45.
All right.
So,
which being said, first lady, so you think it's worth it to tell them to get the stuff them?
it's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. So what you guys do is download the T-Mobile Tuesday app if you have T-Mobile. And
Tell them.
you all get free stuff.
Sometimes you have free movie rental, free movie night. What you gotta get? You got Pandora for a year free.
1 year. I loved it. I was so spoiled.
They give free picture portrait them, right?
Oh yeah.
They give they took away some money of gas. They give you a lot. And you know what's funny too? Sprint now is that with T-Mobile too, as we said before, but now you could go to Sprint and get your T-Mobile Tuesday with them too now.
And if you guys don't believe us, here's a screenshot
Yep.
our T-Mobile Tuesday thing that we had on our phone. Check it out.
Check it out. We are back. I know you seen it. Because we sure did.
Yep.
Because we eating it.
The sandwich is good though.
It is good.
Yeah. I still prefer Chick-fil-A, but it's good.
That's what I was going to say.
The pickles.
I love Chick-fil-A.
The pickles
Yeah.
on the sandwich, do you like it?
It tastes good. But, you know, I got to you.
The pickles does something to the sandwich.
And the Chick-fil-A one, because that's the one you like. But, we ain't coming for that. We could come into all the free food tiers. Telling y'all, man.
What was I gonna say? I was gonna say,
Talking about Chick-fil-A?
I never liked pickles on my sandwich either. And I remember going to Chick-fil-A and seeing the sandwich. And I'm saying to myself, who in their right mind would want to eat a sandwich with just pickles?
You do.
I'm like, that sandwich is not good.
Yeah.
I need lettuce, tomato, and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So I downloaded the Chick-fil-A app. The Chick-fil-A app is amazing. I love that app.
Yeah.
If you're gonna buy something at a store, you might as well download their app. Especially if they have a rewards program. You're gonna go there anyway, right? And you know what stuff I get free. And what I love about Chick-fil-A is if you have enough points to get 20 things on an item, you can redeem it and get all 20 things. They don't say, oh no, you can only do 2 today and 2 tomorrow. No, you can do all of them at once. So because I had a free sandwich on there, the spicy sandwich from Chick-fil-A with the pickles, I was like, all right, whatever, I'll try it, it's free. I could not believe how delicious that sandwich was with just bread, pickles, and the chicken.
Yeah.
It was good.
You love that.
That's my favorite one.
Remember, you had so much free stuff? We ate breakfast and lunch. And y'all know, family, Chick-fil-A, if you have it the way you're at, it's very expensive. But,
It's good.
nice. So this is what people send themselves over. Those long lines for hours and hours. It's good. I ain't gonna lie, it's good. I can rock with it. What?
So we thought we'll give you guys a little quick Tuesday. Because, hey, it's free and we want to show it to you guys.
And this also was, we were talking about it before. They had it before and they took it down.
Oh, yeah.
So now we want to prove it to y'all that it was free. So if you seen the other video, it was a while back, but I don't know. We said it. But now they put it back. We got the
when we went to the mall.
Yes.
I was vlogging the mall.
For the Annie's.
I think the reason why they did that is because they gave one group of people Annie's pretzel and the next group Popeyes. And in the following few weeks they give that group Popeyes. This sandwich is spicy though.
It's hitting.
And you added more 2 times spicy?
Yo, okay. I don't even know what kind of chicken I eat. But I just put pepper on it. Family, I don't even know what kind of chicken I eat. I just put pepper on it.
Oh my goodness. Every time I see Popeyes now, it reminds me of what? Because of AB's challenge.
Because of AB challenge.
Let me tell you something. Her challenge, yo. But the thing about it is that when we were doing that challenge, if you didn't see that challenge, I'll link it up here.
Yeah.
Go check it out. It's really funny. Okay, I didn't mean to be funny. I was just being myself. So
Yeah, it was hot.
is the 2 times spicy sauce. It has a good flavor and it tastes so good on the Popeyes chicken. But we had put the Popeyes chicken in the oven to stay warm. Then the noodles were hot. And we had a lot of 2 times spicy sauce on the chicken.
Yep.
And then man, it was too much.
Yep. And you know what make it worse? That's why a lot of people want to eat the noodles last. As you said, it's flaming hot off the fire. So.
Because the noodles, you have to eat them hot because if you don't, it gets cold, it gets sticky.
Yep.
So.
Sure does.
When I eat that, when I smell that 2 times spicy sauce, I get flashbacks.
Wrap it one time. You got it one time.
No.
Wrap it in there real quick.
No.
Come on.
You gotta get messed up. You gotta get messed up.
Go. Batty bunny man.
I was messed up for 2 days.
Her butt was burning her.
Just ain't my business.
I'm telling them. Her butt was burning her. She Richie.
Okay, y'all didn't. I didn't lie.
Batty bunny one.
You can have the Chick-fil-A sauce?
I'm coming to help you, okay?
We have so much sauce upon sauce.
I'm coming to help you.
We're trying to mind your business, but try to come help me. We have sauce upon sauce upon sauce.
Yeah. Oh. I seen somebody in the comments say, oh, if they have it like this. Yeah, we have it like that too. They have it. Just check out your
local grocery store.
Yes. Not courtesy of Greedy Couple. We don't got this. But the cheapest water bottle is coming. Right, first lady? Okay. Getting down to the knitting. Nice one. When free food make it, you just do crazy stuff, right?
Oh, another thing is, you guys know how it is. When you're getting free stuff, it's a little bit of a hassle.
Yeah, tell them.
Okay?
Read the fine print first.
Read the fine print. That's what Richie said. Because there's some free stuff on T-Mobile Tuesday where you just walk up, show them the app, and you're good to go. Then there's some T-Mobile Tuesday where you have to download an app, create an account, put your credit card number in, order online, and then pick up in the store. So just make sure that you're following the directions so that it doesn't hold you up. But other than that, sometimes you gotta work to get something for free.
Yep.
And this is Popeye's chicken.
It's Popeye's chicken. You remember when we got the panda?
Oh man.
Did we get Chipotle before or was what was Chipotle? Yeah. We got all that before. Free. We don't pay.
I'm not gonna lie. Out of all the food
we got so far.
and stuff that we got, my favorite, not even food, just out of everything that we got from T-Mobile, my favorite is the free Pandora for a year.
Listen, that Pandora, she loved that Pandora.
Commercial free.
Yep.
Listen to all the music.
Yep.
Man, I was
Tell ya.
jamming.
I'm telling y'all. You be giving you the come up, man. Real talk. That's what we do. It's up to you to just follow, you know what I'm saying? And just go jump on it. But, yo.
I think it'd have been too much if we had Annie Ann's pretzel and the fake Popeyes that day. It'd have been too much.
For you, not me. Not me.
It'd have been too much. It's a lot of bread.
Me than yummy. I gotta eat mine and eat yours. Got too much for you.
You had it planned already?
Yeah, I had to plan that. I was tight. I was mad when they took it off, family.
Because we had a nice mukbang set up for got 2, not 1, but 2 meals for free.
Yeah, for free. But look, it all came back around, yeah. We did it. So, full.
The bus.
I bust one.
Bro.
Thank you. I'll take it. I'll take it. I was waiting for it.
I hope you guys are having a good day.
Yes, please ask them while I eat.
Because
We sure
we
are.
had a good day.
Yeah.
It came out good. We woke up, so it was a good day.
Yep. Did I exercise? Walked? No?
I want you guys to sorry. Please don't let people stop your dreams. Okay?
Talk to them further. Let me
Please.
Let me eat. Talk to them.
Please don't let people stop your dreams. People who are trying to stop your dreams is because they can't dream of anything themselves.
Thank you. Well said.
Okay? Wow.
Wow. That may I try to tell you.
So-
say it again, First Lady, because I didn't hear what.
Wow.
I didn't hear what you said. That's why I said it in your ears.
That-
Say it again. Let me hear you.
People who are trying to stop your dreams
Yes.
is because they can't dream of anything of it, for themselves.
Yes.
It's simple.
True.
And like I said before, a while back, when you're doing something, you don't have to tell everybody that you're doing it.
Yep.
You can just stay low, figure it out, do it, and then when it's reached where you want it to go, then you can start telling people, hey, I have this going on, hey, I have that going on. Because I'm telling you, there are people out there who is plotting against you. If I can't do it, if I can't make it, if I'm too afraid to get a YouTube channel, if I'm too afraid to start a business, if I'm too afraid to go to college, if I'm too afraid to change my career, if I'm too afraid to buy a house, you can't either. That's what they were saying.
That's what they can.
You can't either.
You can't either.
Yeah.
How are you doing and I can't? Sorry. I thought you chicken, man. I thought you chicken.
Yeah, but say, you love nyam and chat.
Chicken that make me emotional. I call Thomas.
Yes. So in their mind, they're like, no, if I can't do it, you're not gonna do it.
True.
So you would think they're giving you good advice, and they're really not.
Yep.
You know? If you pick up the phone right now and you call one of your good friends, okay, who you say is your good friend, and you say to that person, I'm gonna start a business, and you know, by 2025, I wanna be successful and I should make $1 million by then. If they're not saying to you, you know what, you will.
You will.
You
Jump
can
on
do
it.
it.
Jump on it. Yeah.
That's a good idea. Jump on it.
Oh, they took it?
The ketchup?
No, the grape.
Sorry. If they're not encouraging you and giving you good criticism, not saying, oh girl, you crazy, or boy, you ain't doing nothing. You know you always be doing at the last minute.
You always telling people and stuff and you're not doing
and
it.
you're not doing it. You need to say, oh, okay, no problem. You don't have to cut them off as a friend, but just know, hey, I'm not gonna be telling you my dreams anymore because you seem like say you are a dream crusher.
Dream crusher, yeah.
You know, really and truly, you really should be sitting down and talking to God about your dreams and your plans and how you want your life to be, because He's the one who's gonna get you there. Nobody else. You understand? I just wanted to say that because there's a lot of people, you know, who want to do something and they're afraid, or they start thinking about doing something and then somebody tells them, I don't think that's a good idea. There's a few things in my life that somebody said to me that I don't think that would be a good idea. One of them is I wanted to be work on as a newscaster. I wanted to be a newscaster.
Really?
And somebody said to me, Yeah, somebody said to me, I don't really see a lot of African American women as news on a newscast, and if they are, they're light skinned. And guess what? Right then and there, my mind said, well, I won't be doing that one then. And I never pursued it. But what if I had continued pursuing that? Who knows where I would have been today as a newscaster or as a reporter? You know what I mean? So, just wanted to say that.
That's right. Good fact. Trace your dreams. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be YouTube. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Whatever your mind say to do, jump and do it. But thank you for tuning in with us again. Sharing our free food with you. You know, we have to. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And for the new people, we appreciate y'all. And for day ones, we appreciate all of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Give me a thumbs up.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.